Let's start and test the game. Everything works, but the game starts instantly, and when the project is built you will see a slow loading of the scene objects. When entering and exiting the house, you can see a hang when the levels are loading. I need to hide it with the preload screen. Create a new widget. It will be loading screen widget. Go to the widget editor. Add canvas panel. Now let's create a background blur effect. Find background blur. Adjust the anchor so that the background fills the entire workspace. Find the blur strength parameter and increase the strength of background blur. Now let's add an animation of loading process. Find the circular throbber. Drag to workspace. Adjust the size and anchor. The loading screen widget is ready. Open the blueprint of the character. I need to add widget to the begin play event, so that the widget is always loaded into the game. Find create widget function. Own in player, get player controller. Class preloader widget. The return value must be written to a variable so that it can be accessed from the blueprint level or another class. This variable is a link or reference. Right-click return value, promote to variable. Give the variable a name. From the return value, get the add to viewport function. Now the widget will be created along with the appearance of the character. Go to the main level blueprint. I need to add a script that will hide the preload widget when all levels are loaded. At the end, add cast to BP first person character. Object get player pawn. I will add a slight delay so that on more powerful systems preloading does not disappear instantly. Find delay function. 0.2 seconds will be enough. Now I need to take the variable that I created in the character's blueprint. As BP first person character, pull get preloader ref. This is the created variable. From the preloader ref variable, get set visibility. In visibility, switch to hidden to hide the widget when the entire chain of script on the left side is done. Add comments to this part of script. Start the game. Now the loading script appears at start. It quickly disappears because the game is launched in the editor and all objects are already loaded. When the project is built, loading will take longer. Let's add the same loading screen to the entrance and exit of the house. Open Blueprint Interior Collision. On the begin overlap event before the level loading and unloading script, you need to add the same scripts that I did for the main level. Cast to BP first-person character. Object, get player pan. As BP first-person character, get preloader ref. Next, adjust visibility. Before loading the levels, the preload widget will be visible. Now go to the end of the script to make the widget invisible after all levels are loaded. Add a small delay. Pull from getPreloadRef, set visibility and place it at the end of the script. Change to hidden. Start the game. Now at the entrance to the house appears preloading. Next, I need to add preload when the user leaves the house. Go back to Blueprint Interior Collision. Duplicate the script fragments created earlier for the end overlap event.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Let's test it. Now everything works.